Dear student, this is exercise 2. Open your notebook and write down the answer. Okay. Question A. Tick the correct options. Answer of first question is create. Second one is EF code. Third one is title bar. Fourth one record. Fifth one .accdb access database. Question number B. Fill in the blanks. First one is database. Second one field. Third one ribbon. Fourth one safe. Fifth one ribbon. Okay. Question C. State true, false. First one false. Second one true. Third one true. Fourth one false. Fifth one true. Question number D. Match the column. 1 D, 2 E, 3 B, 4 A, 5 C. Question number E. Short answer question. A organized collection of data is known as database. B. Example of DBMS are MS Access, Oracle, MySQL, and Savas. Question number C. Record is a row of values and field is a column of values. Question number D. Relations consist of attributes and tuples. Relation consists of attributes and tuples. Question number E. MS Access is a RDBMS software. Okay. Long answer question. A. 4 advantages of RDBMS. 4 advantages of RDBMS. 1. Reduce data redundancy. Redundancy means repetition. Second one, facilitate sharing of data. Third one, ensure data security. Fourth one, maintain data integrity. Question number B. Step to create empty database. Step 1, open MS Access. Step 2, select new file. Okay. It display the new database dialog box. Select blank database. After selecting the blank database, step 3 is enter a name for the database in the database name field and click on create button. Okay. Question C. 5 elements of MS Access window. 1. Title bar. Display the name of the database. Generally at the top bar of the MS Access windows is called title bar. It contains 3 buttons like minimize, maximize, and close, and quick access toolbar also. Okay. Second one, quick access toolbar. contain 3 buttons. One, save. Second one, undo. Third one, redo. Third one, ribbon. Before we called ribbon as menu. A ribbon contain commands, various commands generally used in MS Access. The commands in the ribbon we can add or remove from the ribbon. Fourth one is navigation pane. It displays all the objects of a database. Okay. All objects here is the table, view, query, forms. These are database objects. All the objects in the database are displayed on the navigation pane. Okay. Status bar. The bottom bar of MS Access is called status bar, and it displays the status of the database. Okay. These are the question answer of chapter 2. Noted. Okay. Thank you.